Is there any doubt in the homework? Homework was given on trapezoidal, Simpson's 1/3 and Simpson's 3/8. So if there is anything you can ask. So we'll go to the last numerical method of your syllabus, that is Gaussian quadrature, 2-point and 3-point formula. Gaussian quadrature, 2-point and 3-point formula. So write in that, accuracy of numerical integration. Accuracy of numerical integration can be increased can be improved or increased by choosing some sample points. That is, if it is I, integration is from a to b of f of x dx, then by taking the summation of the function and its weight, so wi into f of xi, where I runs over 1 to n. These two are equal, integration and summation, if functions are multiplied with the weights. So if you find all of those sum together, it will be the integration. So you have to remember this, where wi are the weights, or you can write next, methods of finding values of xi and weights wi to find integral of f of x. To find integral of f of x is called Gaussian integral. It's called Gaussian integral. So if there is anything, integration of the function from the limits a to b asked, then you can just, for such integration, you can write summation of wi into f of xi. We need to find these wi's and xi's, and the method of finding these wi's and xi's and substitute in this is called the Gaussian integral. So there are two types of Gaussian quadrature formulae. First is Gaussian quadrature 2-point and second is 3-point. So you are writing now the formulae. Give the heading, Gaussian, or you can call Gauss, Gaussian quadrature 2-point formula. 2-point formula. So it is defined as whatever is the integration a to b f of x dx, it is b minus a by 2 into w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2. As it is 2 points, so there are 2 points only in this wi. I is from 1 to 2, n is 2. If n is 2, then it is called 2 points. So w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2, and there is the multiple b minus a by 2. Where? Now these are the values you have to take directly. They have solved and obtained values. So you have to take them as it is, where w1 and w2 is always 1 and z1 is minus 1 upon root 3 and z2 is 1 upon root 3. w1, w2 is equal to 1 and z1. It's solving this all method. Solving all the equations together, there will be simultaneous equations. Solving them, we'll get the values of W and Z. Now you'll ask what is Z. So where X is defined as B minus A by 2 into Z plus A plus B by 2. This is the formula for X. So 2 point is B minus A by 2, W1 f of x1 plus W2 f of x2. You have to put values here, but we have W1, W2, Z1, Z2 and not X. So X can be found by using the value of Z. So x1, you will define Z1 and we'll need x2 also, and x2 is B minus A by 2 into Z2 plus A plus B by 2. Find this x1, x2. You have function f of x. In that you will put x1, we'll find the value of the function at x1, value of the function at x2. We have w1, w2, we'll put it here. We have ab also, and solving this we'll get the required answer. That is called the 2-point quadrature formula. This is the formula where you will need value of x1, x2. So you will find from this, and these are also important, where w1, w2 is 1 and z1 is minus 1 by root 3, z2 is 1 by root 3. And x1, x2 can be found by this. And resubstitute all the values here, you will get the required answer by 2-point formula. Next, give the heading Gaussian quadrature 3-point formula. So there n is equal to 3 now. Gaussian quadrature 3-point formula. So the formula is integration a to b f of x dx I is equal to integration a to b f of x dx is same as b minus a by 2, same as 2 point b minus a by 2, and there will be w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2 plus w3 also as 3 points. So n is up to 3. So w3 f of x3. Okay, where we have to again write some values and you should remember them. Where w1 is 5 by 9, w2 is 8 by 9, w3 is 5 by 9, and z1 is minus root 3 by 5, z2 is 0, and z3 is root 3 by 5. This is again you have to remember for 3-point formula. These are the values. For 2 point, w1, w2 are 1 and z1, z2 are minus plus 1 by root 3. And here it is 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 5 by 9 and minus root 3 by 5, 0 and root 3 by 5. And also you have to define x. X is b minus a by 2 into z plus a plus b by 2. So you can write x1, x2 because we need x2 and x3 also. So for x2, there is z2 here. Baki sab as it is. And x3 is, there will be z3. b minus a by 2 z3 plus a plus b by 2. Find these values, put here and solve, you will get the answer. This is what the Gaussian quadrature 3-point formula. So if it is 3 point, there will be up to 3, w1, w2, w3. f of x1, f of x2, these are multiplying to that. And 2 point is only w1, w2. So these are the points derived. So you can remember like this. So there can be number of points. That is n. or points. Then second is points, that is xi, values of xi's, and then weights, that is wi's. So if one point is there, then value of x is 0 and weight is 2. Make a table. Second, if n is 2, the value of x is plus minus 1 by root 3, and value of w, both the w's, w1, w2, both are 1. If it is 3, we have up to 3-point formula only, so we'll write up to 3 only. So if n is 3, what are the x? Zero. Instead, points xi we need to find, so you can write zi. Right, zi. Z1, Z2, Z3. So what are Z1, Z2, Z3? 1 is 0, Z2 is 0, while Z1, Z2 are plus minus root 3 by 5. And for this is Z2, so corresponding W2 is 8 by 9. So for 0, it is 8 by 9. And for both plus minus root 3 by 5, it is 5 by 9. So you have to remember this step. Okay, 1 point, forget, 2 and 3. 2-point formula for Z1, Z2, there is 1 by root 1 by 3 plus minus, and W1, W2 are 1. And 3-point for that, Z1, Z2, Z3. So you can write anything, but when Z is 0, W is 8 by 9, plus root 3 by 5, 5 by 9, minus root 3 by 5 also 5 by 9. Okay, so these are the 2-point and 3-point formulae. So we'll go to the question so that you can understand. Write the question. Use Gauss quadrature 2-point formulae. Use Gauss quadrature 2-point formula to evaluate I is equal to integration minus 2 to 2 e raised to minus x by 2 dx. Okay, given is one integral and it is asked to use Gauss quadrature 2-point formula. So the same integral we can also solve by using trapezoidal or Simpson's 1/3 or Simpson's 3/8 also, but read what is asked. So here Gauss quadrature 2-point formula is asked. So for that you will compare the given integral with integration a to b f of x dx. So what you get, f of x? E raised to minus x by 2. Correct. What is a? A to b. A to b. A is minus 2. B is 2. Okay. And then we'll write the Gauss quadrature 2-point formula. Gauss quadrature 2-point formula. What is that? Tell me the formula. Integration is? Chalo bolo.
A to b f of x dx.
That is integration, the given value. B
minus
minus
a upon 2. W1 f of x1.
Correct. Plus
W2 f of x2.
Very good. Because it is 2 points, so we'll write W2. If it is 3 point, we'll also write W3. Okay. And where W1 and W2 is what for 2 point?
1.
1. And what is Z1 and Z2? Z1 is minus 1 by root 2 and Z2 is 1 by root 3. Okay, these are fixed value you have to remember. And where you also will find x1 and x2. So x1 is b minus a by 2 z1 plus a plus b by 2. So put the value of z1, a, b here and solve. So b is 2 minus minus 2. 2 minus minus 2 upon 2. into z1 is minus 1 by root 3 plus a plus b by 2 minus 2 plus 2, 0. So you will solve this now, which is 2 plus 2, 4 by 2, that is 2 into minus 1 by root 3 plus this is 0. So it is, you can find the value particular, or you can write this is minus 2 by root 3. Okay. You got the value of x1 minus 2 by root 3. Also we need x2. What is the formula of x2? What is the formula for x2?
Minus a divided by 2 into z2.
Correct.
Plus b by 2.
Correct. So solve this, you will get x2 also. So b is 2 minus minus 2 by 2 into z2. What is z2? 1 by root 3.
1 by
Plus minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Minus 2 plus 2, this is 0. So 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, and this is 0. So x2 is 2 by root 3. Okay. So we have the Gauss quadrature formula. We'll call it as 1. Now we have W1 also, W2 also, and X1, X2. This also we have. Right. So therefore equation 1 becomes I is equal to B minus A. B is 2 minus A is minus 2 by 2 into W1. What is W1? 1. B minus A by 2. W1 is 1. Here we have written. And f of x1. So f of x1 is minus 2 by root 3. So it is f of minus 2 by root 3. Plus W2. W2 is also 1 into f of x2. X2 is 2 by root 3. That is 2 plus 2, 4 by 2. That is 2 into f of minus 2 by root 3. We have f of x here. So in this, you can take it on calculator. E raised to E shift ln bracket taka minus alpha bracket close x by 2 bracket complete and calculate for कशासाठी हवंय आपल्याला ते calculate नहीं होते का okay forget directly you can solve e raised to shift e raised to लिहू नका minus sign दा minus x च्या जागी काय ठेवायचं आपल्याला f of minus 2 by root 3 करतोय म्हणजे x च्या जागी minus 2 by root 3 ठेवायचंय मग हा minus minus plus होऊन जाईल minus 2 by square root 3 bracket complete by 2 किती आला what is the value of f of minus 2 by root 3
1.78.
you are doing this e raised to minus 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 by 2 sorry so minus minus is plus 2 by root 3 याला divide by 2 है म्हणजे multiply by 1 by 2 so 2 cancel e raised to 1 by root 3 also you can solve 1 upon root 3 yes what is the answer 1 point come on tell me fast 1.78
7813.
1312 correct and find now f of 2 by root 3
0.5613.
okay 2 by root 3 by 2 again 2 will cancel That is minus 1 by root 3 e raised to minus 1 by square root 3 bracket complete.
0.5613.
Can I write? Everyone is getting the same? Tell me again. 5
613.
1 3. Put it. 2 more digits.
8-3.
8 3. Okay. Just solve this. Tell me the answer. Final answer. What the answer?
4.68539.
4.68539. Perfect. So this is the value of given integration, given integral. 4.68539. You can check the actual value also if you want. So you can compare. So it is e raised to integration minus 2 to 2 e raised to minus x by 2 dx. So what is its integration? E's integration is e itself upon derivative of this is minus 1/2. That is from minus 2 to 2. That minus 2 will go up. Minus 2 into e raised to minus x by 2. So upper limit, if it is 2, so it will be minus 2 e raised to minus 2 by 2, minus 1. Minus minus plus 2 into e raised to minus minus plus 2 to cancel, e raised to 1. Do this. It is 2e minus e raised to minus 1. Try it. किती येतं? What is the answer? I got like 2e1 करा इकडे. I got like this 4.7008.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So actual value is 4.70080. So this is nearer to that. So by Gauss quadrature, we get 4.68539. So they haven't asked you to check. If you want to check, you can check like this by solving the actual integration. Okay, so are you getting quadrature formulae? But there are 2-3 things you need to remember. The formula also, then W and Z's and X formula. Next question. Use Gauss quadrature 3-point formula. Three-point formula to evaluate I is equal to integration 2 to 4 x raised to 4 plus 1 dx. So let, what is f of x? What is f of x?
X raised to 4 plus 1.
Correct. X raised to 4 plus 1. What is a?
2.
2. What is b?
4.
4. And Gauss quadrature? 3-point formula. 3-point formula. What is that? I is equal to, I is given integral, okay? Value we'll get is of this I only. So it is
b minus a divided by 2
correct into
omega 1 f of
W
x1
of x1, correct?
1 f
W2
plus w2 f of x2 plus w3 f of x3.
W3 because it is 3 points, so it will be up to W3. This is your equation 1. Where we know some values, we'll write them. What is W1? 5 by 9. What is W2? 8 by 9.
0.
No, Z is 0. W3 is 5 by 9. 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 5 by 9. And Z1 is minus root 3 by 5. Z2 is 0. And Z3 is plus root 3 by 5. Please remember them. Okay. Therefore, we need now x1, x2, x3. So what is x1? What is the formula x1?
Minus a divided by 2 into 1 plus a plus b by 2.
Correct. A plus b by 2. Solve it. B is 4. A is 2. So 4 minus 2 by 2 into Z1 is minus root 2 करना पड़े root 3 by 5 plus A plus B by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2. 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, 1 into minus root 3 by 5 plus 6 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. Solve this on calculator. Get the value in point. What is that? 2.2254. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Find out x2, x3 also. X2 is b minus a by 2 into z2 plus a plus b by 2. 4 minus 2 by 2 into z2 is 0 plus 2 plus 4 by 2. 0 into anything is 0. 6 by 2, 3. X2 is 3. Right. Go for x3. B minus a by 2 into z3 plus a plus b by 2. So it is 4 minus 2 by 2 into z3. What is z3? Root 3 by 5 plus 2 plus 4 by 2. 2 by 2, 1. Root 3 by 5 plus 6 by 2, that is 3. Solve this, you will get x3. What do you get? X3?
3.7745.
4, 5. Again, one more.
96.
Okay, 9, 6. Let it be. 4, 5, 9 is okay. We got x1, x2, x3. So therefore, we can now put them in equation number 1. That is the required value. It is b minus a, 4 minus 2 by 2 into w1. W1 is 5 by 9 into f of x1. X1 we got 2.225. Okay, W1 f of x1 plus W2. W2 is 8 by 9 into f of x2. X2 is 3 plus W3 is again 5 by 9 into f of x3. 3.774596. What is the function but? X raised to 4 plus 1. So first f of x is now this. You can take this on calculator. X raised to 4 plus 1. Calculate for होते का calculate? Okay, forget then. Directly put here the value 2 by 2, 1. 5 by 9 into x च्या जागी हा लिहा. Solve and tell me the answer. काय येईल?
25.52.
Okay. This answer you are telling me? Whole answer?
25.52.
इथलं correct आहे? Plus 8 by 9 into, find f of 3. इथे 3 ठेवा.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
Is it 8? 3, 3.
82.
82. So 8 by 9 into 82. Correct. Plus 5 by 9 into f of x च्या जागी हा ठेवा 3.774596 raised to 4 plus 1. What is that?
82. 203.99.
Solve this. Finally, you will get the answer and tell me the answer.
$400.7995.
Okay. Outside is something?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting 200. Check once. Calculator for 2.2254. 25, correct.
99. 200.
200?
200.39.
200.39?
62.
62. Correct. That one is correct. 200 point something is correct. Check once.
200.386.
Okay, that is also okay because we are ignoring some decimals after the points. So yes, you can get somewhere between 200, 199.99 to 200 point something. It is okay. Everyone is getting?
Yes.
But remember one thing, if your calci is on regression, the thing which we do in statistics correlation, REG. So if it is on regression, just now my calci was on this mode, so I couldn't solve this equation x raised to 4 plus 1. You can check. Go on to mode, press it twice, go to regression and go to linear. Okay, there is REG. And if you now press x alpha curly bracket close raised to 4 plus 1, and if you try calculate, it doesn't. Can you check?
0.3.
No. तुम्ही जर रिग्रेशन मध्ये कॅल्सी ठेवला तर तुम्हाला ते व्हॅल्यू सॉल्व नाही करता येत डिरेक्टली. एक्स रेज टू 4 प्लस 1 हे इक्वेशन मी जर कॅल्सीवर घेतलं पूर्ण आणि कॅल्क्युलेट फॉर एक्स म्हणायला गेलं तर ते येतच नाही. म्हणजे कॅल्सी तुमचा रिग्रेशन वरती नकोय. कॅल्सी कम्प्युटेशनल वर हवाय. सो गो अगेन इन टू मोड, प्रेस 1. आता होईल. मला काय म्हणायचं समजले तुम्हाला?
येस मॅम.
हा, रिग्रेशन वगैरे असेल तर ते आम्ही सॉल्व्ह होत नाहीये, माझं होत नव्हतं. सो रिग्रेशन वरचा असेल तर तो पहिला काढा. आता तुम्ही हे इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. x raised to 4 plus 1 for any x. So for 2.225 you got this. Okay. Chalo, we'll go to the next question. Is there any doubt in this? There should not be, but you should remember some values. They are important. W's and Z's. Okay, write the next question. Use Gauss quadrature 2-point formula. 2-point formula to calculate I is equal to integration minus 1 to 1 e raised to x dx. Okay, what is f of x here?
E raised to x.
Correct. A is minus 1. B is 1. And for the formula, there is b minus a by 2. So if you find b minus a by 2, what will be the value? 1 minus minus 1. 1 plus 1. 2 by 2, that is 1. So whatever is this multiplies to the formula b minus a by 2, that value becomes 1. So whenever the integration is from minus 1 to 1, b minus a by 2, you can ignore from the formula. You can just write w1 f of x1 plus. But okay, we can write because the value is 1. So that's why integration minus 1 to 1 f of x dx, it becomes w1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2 for 2 point, and for 3 point plus w3 f of x. Can be asked in MCQ. This formula is also correct with if the limits are minus 1 to 1. Because the value of this is becoming 1. Okay, so yes, we got AB. So write the formula. Gauss quadrature 2-point formula. It is I is equal to, tell me the formula. General formula. B minus
A upon
correct into
W1 f of x1.
Correct, plus W2 f of x2 and up to W2. Okay, because it is 2 point. So call it as 1. So just where write that. W1, W2 are 1.
9.
Z1 is
minus 1 upon root 3.
minus 1 upon root 3. Do not get confused in 2 point and 3 point. That is 5 by 9. That is in 3 point. 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 5 by 9. 3 values, W1, W2, W3. And in 2 point, they both are 1. And Z1 is this, Z2 is plus 1 by root 3. Find X1. B minus A by 2, Z1 plus B plus A by 2. So B minus A, 1 minus minus 1 by 2 into Z1 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 0, 0 by 2, 0. 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 1. 1 into minus 1 by root 3. So it is minus 1 by root 3. So if the integration limits are minus 1 to 1, x1 is z1 itself and x2 is z2 itself. You will get that. Okay, x2 is b minus a by 2, z2 plus b plus a by 2. B minus a by 2 into z2 1 by root 3 plus b plus a 1 minus 1 plus minus minus 1 by 2 0 2 by 2 1 1 into 1 by root 3 1 by root 3. We have now all the values, put it in 1 and solve for the answer. Therefore, I is integration minus 1 to 1, whatever is there, is b minus a by 2, 1 minus minus 1 by 2 into w1 is 1 into f of x1 is minus 1 by root 3, so f of minus 1 by root 3 plus w2 is also 1 into f of x2 is 1 by root 3. So 1 plus 1 2 by 2, that is 1 into f of minus 1 by root 3. So you can put that f of x in your calculator first, e raised to x. Regression वरनं काढलंय का बघा. Shift ln alpha bracket close ex. Calculate for minus 1 upon root 3. What do you get?
0.561383.
Correct. 5613839 plus calculate
1.78.
good. Calculate for 1 by root 3. You will get 1.781312 something. It is better that you can write the whole part. Add it. What do you get? Check this. 2.342696. Correct.
Yes.
Right. So this is your answer by Newton's 2-point formula. So you can now compare with the actual value. Chalo, we'll compare with actual one. So actual value here is given integration is minus 1 to 1 e raised to x dx. So what is the integration? E raised to x upon derivative of this, that is 1. So no need to write that one. From minus 1 to 1, upper limit is 1. So e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus 1. Do this. Shift e 1 minus shift e minus 1. What do you get?
2.3504.
Correct. 2.3504. This is the actual value, right? 02 next. So here, error. How much is the error? So actual value minus this will be the error. So 2.350402 minus 2.342696 will be the error. Find the error.
(7.70 into 10 raised to minus 3).
10 raised to minus 3. That is 0.0007. किंवा 8 पण येऊ शकतो काही लोकांचं 8.03 असंही येऊ शकतं कारण माझं दिसतंय मला 8.03 into 10 raised to minus 3 म्हणजे 0.00 10 raised to minus 3 म्हणजे 1230 एका नंतर 0.803 त्याच्या पुढे आणि 7 पुढे काय होतं 7 पॉइंट काय होतं
7.7073.
Okay. This much is the error. Chalo, you will solve the next one. Evaluate integration 0 to pi by 2 sin t dt by Gaussian 3-point formula. What is f of Is it f of x now? It is f of t.
1.
So x role is now played by t. So you will consider it in t. If you can do it, very good. If you cannot, because we need only the value. Offline ला नाही आहे. So तुम्ही x नी consider करत असाल तरी चालेल. So आपल्याला इकडे x च्या जागी t म्हणावं लागेल. So let f of t is sin t. x चा रोल हा t प्ले करेल. a is 0, b is pi by 2. And therefore, the formula, Gauss quadrature 3-point formula, can you tell me? b minus a by 2 into, tell me now.
Sin t. W1 f of x1
Wait,
plus
wait.
W2 f of x.
Wait. W1 f of
T1.
T1. x चा रोल t प्ले करतोय ना आता. म्हणून मी म्हटलं तर एक तर तुम्ही याला पहिलंच x मध्ये करून घ्या म्हणजे कन्फ्युजनच होणार नाही. साइन x dx t ला x म्हणून घ्या आणि सॉल्व करा. ठीक आहे. कन्फ्युजन होत असेल तर t ला x करून करा. नाही तर मग जमते t करा. W1 f of T1 पुढे बोला.
T1.
हा.
W2
f of T2. 3 point है. So W3 f of T3. Where? What is W1?
f of T2.
5 by 9. W2?
5 by 9.
8 by 9. W3?
8 by 9.
W3? 5 by 9.
5 by 9.
Right. W1, W2, W3. What is Z1?
Minus root 3.
3 by 5. Z2 is
5 by
0. Z3 is
9.
root 3
0.
by 5. Are the values correct? All of them? W1, W2, W3, Z1, Z2, Z3. So now, what we need?
Root 3 by 5.
Am I that slow? खूप लेट आवाज जातोय का माझा तुमच्याकडे? हा, आता आपल्याला काय हवंय बोला?
T1.
T1, very T1, x1 नाही T1 कारण आपण T मध्ये आहोत. So T1 चा फॉर्म्युला बोला.
T1 b minus a by 2 into Z1 plus a plus b by 2.
Correct. Solve this. T2 b minus a by 2 Z2 b plus a by 2. T3 b minus a by 2 Z3 b plus a by 3. Sorry, b plus a by 2. B is pi by 2 minus 0 by 2 into Z1 minus root 3 by 5 b plus a pi by 2 plus 0 by 2. So I think you should be in radian now. या व्हॅल्यूजला ओके. इथे साइन वगैरे नाहीये तरी पण तुम्ही रेडियन मध्ये कॅल्सी घ्या आधी आणि मग सॉल्व करा. साइन साठी आहे. Tell me the value. It is pi by 2 by 2, that is pi by 4 into minus root 3 by 5 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 equal into minus bracket square root bracket 3 by 5 bracket complete plus pi by 4 plus shift किती येते?
0.298.
माझं असं येते बघा 0.177031. तुमचं येते का? 7031 सॉरी 7031. चेक. मिळते? मिळते का बघा, म्हणजे पुढे जायला. करेक्ट आहे का? चला T2 फाइंड करा. pi by 2 minus 0 by 2 into Z2. Z2 is 0 plus pi by 2 plus 0 by 2. 0 into anything. This is 0. This is pi by 4. Find pi by 4. किती आला? 0.785398. करेक्ट येत आहेत का बघा. T3 pi by 2 minus 0 upon 2 into Z3 root 3 by 5. हे दोघं रूट मध्ये येतं. √3 रूटच्या आतमध्ये तुम्हाला ब्रॅकेट घ्यावा लागेल कॅल्सी मध्ये घेताना. दोघही रूट मध्येच आहे. प्लस pi by 2 प्लस 0 by 2 pi by 4 pi by 2 by 2 म्हणजे pi by 4. pi by 4 equal into bracket square root 1 more bracket 3 by 5 bracket complete 1 more bracket complete plus bracket pi by 4 bracket complete. What do you get? 1.393764. Check. Okay, so we get here T1, T2 and T3. So we can put now them in equation number 1. So therefore 1 becomes I is equal to B minus A pi by 2 minus A is 0 by 2 into W1 5 by 9 into F of T1 काय आला आपला तो लिहा 0.17703162 असं काहीतरी आलाय प्लस W2 is 8 by 9 into F of T2 0.785398 असं काहीतरी आला प्लस W3 5 by 9 into F of T3 1.393764. But function काय आहे आपलं pi by 2 by 2. This is 0 cancel pi by 4. F function is sine. So put on your calculator sine x. Sine x and calculate. But first make sure it is in radian. Calculator is in radian. Sine x calculate for 0.1770316. What do you get?
0.98.
Oh. I'm getting
0.1761.
Okay, then correct. Radian मध्ये कॅल्सी आणा पहिला. Sin x फंक्शन आहे. x ला हा ठेवा 0.177. So check you are getting this. Again calculate for 0.785398,163. So I think you are getting 8 by 9 into 0.70710678. Is that correct? Plus 5 by 9 into, calculate for this x now. What do you get? 0.706. Check. If correct, solve for the final answer. Pi by 4 equal into bracket, double bracket, 5 by 9, one first bracket complete, into 0.176108 plus bracket 8 by 9 bracket complete into 0.707100678 plus bracket 5 by 9 bracket complete into 0.98437,066 bracket complete. Finally, one bracket complete. What is the answer? I'm getting this. You can just check 1.000007997 something. Check yours. Three-point formula gives you the more accurate than two-point formula. Is that correct? Everyone is getting this? Or a little difference is okay? Little bit. Actual value, it is integration 0 to pi by 2 sine t dt. What is integration of sine? Minus cos from 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit t is pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 minus become plus, lower limit is 0. So cos 0. What is cos pi by 2? 0. So this is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So actual value is 1. So yes, this is nearer to the actual value and the error is very less. Same example you can do by two-point formula also and check what is the error. And this is all about numerical methods unit. So this unit is over. So there are more questions. I'll send you right now on your group by taking the screenshot of the questions you have to solve. आणि Simpson's trapezoidal लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये मी जे दिले होते लेक्चर घेतला नाही तो मुद्दाम नाही घेतलाय तुम्ही करावं म्हणून. आय थिंक तुम्ही केलेत ते क्वेश्चन्स कारण मीच करते आणि तुमची प्रॅक्टिस होत नाही हे नको व्हायला. तुम्ही ते करायचे सगळे दिलेले लास्ट लेक्चरचे ट्युटोरियल म्हणून टाका म्हटलं होतं. कमी आलेत मला ट्युटोरियल पण आणि लास्टला हे मार्क्स पण कन्सिडर होतात. सो ते करा आज सगळे आणि मी आता एक पाठवतीये on this 2.3 point तेही करा. So here unit will be over. This only much is there in the unit. Is there anything you want to ask? Just wait, let me take attendance, do not leave. Do you want to ask something? Is there any doubt? जाऊ नका थांबा, attendance घेऊ द्या. Okay, done. Chal, bye.